In this video, what we're going to be looking at is making a manual payment within Sage 300 and seeing that payment status reflected within the ramp interface. So let's go ahead and start within ramp, and we're going to go to the bill pay section. When we go here, we'll be able to go to for payment, and we see this bill from ramp test vendor. It's ready for payment for $432, and the payment method is manual payment. So let's go over to the Sage 300 interface. Here in the AP transactions section, we're going to go to payment batch list. We're going to create a new payment. From here, we're going to enter in the vendor number for the vendor that we had the bill with, the ramp test vendor. We see them show up here. Then down here, we're going to grab the bill we were talking about. That's the $432 one. That is this bill. We're going to change apply to yes. Going to click add and close. Here, we see the $432 bill. It is entered as open. Now we want to change that to posted, so we're going to hit print/post. Then on this screen, we will hit print. This will want to print out a physical check within Sage 300. We're going to go ahead and close that for the example, say that all checks were printed successfully. And then we're going to click yes on this and close on this. Now we see here that the bill has been marked as posted. So now we're going to go back to the ramp interface. And here on ramp, we can see that in our for payment section, our bill no longer is here. But if we go into history and scroll down, we see ramp test vendor for $432, and it's been marked as paid. Thank you so much for watching.